Welcome back to Kusina ni Ma'am Shi. Yes, live na live po tayo ngayon. At syempre, hindi natin makakalimutan to share the recipe for you guys. So, maraming salamat mga Ma'am Shi out there who really follow my YouTube channel at the same time my Facebook page. So, good morning! A second Advent Sunday for today. So, hope you won't forget to attend our TV Mass if you can. So, please lang po, no, if you have near a parish church, actually you can attend in doing so. So, maraming salamat sa patuloy ninyong pagtampiliking sa aking kusina ni Ma'am Shi. I'm very grateful for the day. So, right now, huwag na natin patagalin at syempre ay talagang alas 12 ng mga Ma'am Shi, no? At ngayon lang po tayo natapos maglinis ng bahay at mag-asikaso sa ating mga patuti. So ngayon naman, mag-prepare na tayo ng ating lunch, or you may say a brunch pa lang sa inyo. Pero sa akin is already a lunch time. So ngayon, i-share ko sa inyo how to make na if you avoiding an oily food, of course, we can make steam right now. So, ang gagawin ni Ma'am Shi is pinaputok na bangus. Yes, so we're going to do a steam bangus for today. So, mabilis lang po din gawin. At the same time, all the ingredients are very basic. Okay? So, magsimula po tayo sa mga sangkap na gagamitin ni Ma'am Shi. Of course, meron tayong boneless bangus. So, we have here our boneless bangus para kung kakainin po natin ay yan po siya, no? So, I have here. So, yan. Para sa amin po ito. Tamang-tama lang. Okay. So, ang ating, of course, lalagyan natin ng kinsay. Yan, para matanggal po yung langsa ng isda. Then, of course, yung sili na maanghang. And the chopped onion. Of course, we have the what do you call this? Pepper powder, the ground pepper powder, the chopped tomatoes, and of course the ginger, so that it will taste really good. At the same time, maglalagay tayo ng seasoning salt, of course, and we're going to use our pinakurot na vinegar. Yes, mga Ma'am Shi out there. So tara, samahan ninyo po ako mag-prepare ng ating pinaputok na bangus. Yes, at madali lang ito mga Ma'am Shi gawin. So ngayon, handa na po ba tayo to see the step on how to make the pinaputok na bangus, or we call it a steam bangus. So ito po yung gagawin natin. So hinati ko po naman siya. So make sure you clean all your bangus, no? Dapat malinis mo yung ating bangus. So ngayon, lagyan po natin siya ng sangkap, no? So lalagyan natin siya doon ng salt, a seasoning for salt. I-off muna natin ito para hindi mainit. Okay. So, we're going to use a steamer for our cooking presentation, no? So, since it is literally steam, yan. So, lagyan natin siya ng salt para malasa po yung ating bangus. Then, we can put our chopped tomato, no? Yan. So, of course, ang sangkap sa paggawa ng pinaputok na bangus ay of course dapat meron tayong aluminum foil. Yeah, we need to use this one para pag mag-steam po tayo, maayos po siya. Then, kinakailangan natin lagyan ng sibuyas. Yes, okay. A chopped sibuyas. Then, of course, lalagyan natin ng konting ginger. Yeah, the meals of ginger, okay? Yan. So, dapat marami kasi gusto kong malasa siya ng ginger. Then, lalagyan natin siya ng kinchay para mawala po yung, what do you call this? Yung langsa ng ating isda. So, yan. Lagyan natin siya ng konting kinchay para mawala po yung lasa ng langsa. Of course, kinakailangan natin ng siling maanghang. So, para masarap po. So, ano ko na lang. Okay. Mga dalawa po. Yan. So, yan siya. Kasi pag wala ito, medyo hindi ko dama ang aking pinaputok na bangus. Okay? So, ito na po siya, no, mga mother. Yan. So, yan na po yung kanyang filling. So, ngayon, igaganon na po natin, no? Tapos, mamaya, i-roll natin po sa aluminum foil. So, this is the first one, no? Tapos ngayon, syempre, yung ating pangalawa, yung buntot na part. So, mamaya po, lalagyan natin ng 2 tablespoon of pinakurat na vinegar. So, yan. Again, we add salt for the seasoning. Then, I forgot also to put the ground pepper. And of course, okay, yan, kamatis ulit. Yan. Okay. Then, our luya. Okay. Yan, para masarap. Then, our chopped onion. Yan. Yan siya. Tapos, syempre, dadagan na natin ng ating manghang na sili. Okay? Okay. Yan. So, yan po. Okay. Tapos, lalagyan natin siya ng kinchay. Para mawala yung kanyang lasang. Tapos po, yan. Yan. Tapos, bago natin lalagyan ng foil, of course, we can add tablespoon dom. Okay? So, we can add 2 tablespoon of vinegar. So, I use po pinakurat sa this one para masarap. Or any kind of vinegar, no? Pwede naman. Oh, yan. Okay. Tamang-tama lang po yung pagkalagay natin. Okay, yan siya. Okay na, alright. So, ngayon, syempre, ang next move po natin ay i-cover na natin siya ng foil. So, yan. Okay. Hindi ako makaano, dapat tanggalin natin foil. So, yan. Para ready na po tayo mag-steam ng ating bangus. So, we can put now. So, I have here my clean, kasi slippery po siya, kaya kinakailangan ko ng panibagong gloves para hindi po mag-smell yung aking. So, this one po. Okay. So, yan doon. Nilagay ko siya sa gitna. Then, remove the tape. Okay. So, yan po. Then, we're going to make it like this. No? So, yan. So, yan. Ang ating steamer po. Pwede na natin po i-on. Pero mamaya po ilagay natin ng 30 minutes. Yan siya. Okay. Then, another. So, kinakailangan po talaga ng foil. Pag wala pong foil, hindi po siya ganun kaano kasi yung mga ingredients niya makukulog. No? Yung mga chopped minced cut of size ng ating mga spicy and herbs ay mahuhulog. So, the reason why we need, so ito po, lalagyan din po natin ng vinegar. Okay. So, actually, yan siya. Konti lang po, hindi naman masyado. Para may lasa lang ng vinegar. Okay. Then, we put sa middle. Yan po. And then we cook. Ready to steam. Okay. So, yan. So, we're going to steam now our pinaputok na bangus. Ayan. So, gawin natin po ng 30 minutes or more than. So, yan po siya. So, habang naghihintay po tayo, no? It's okay enough, I think. Ganoon. Yan. Nangasisil po natin si pinaputok. Yan, ganyan lang. So, while waiting, no, for our, what you call, our pinaputok na bangus, syempre, dapat may side dish po yung ating, yan, upo na lang si Mamshi. So, hello to my Mamshi out there, yeah, especially to all my friends who are really close to my heart. Good morning. Blessed Sunday po sa ating lahat. At the same time, always have the power of positivity. Yes, you're right. But then, we also need to prepare ourselves, no? Kasi it's December already and it's malapit na po yung ating Pasko. So, hindi lang tayo pasaya-saya. Yes, we also need to prepare our soul, our heart po, no? The reason why we continue praying and cleanse our soul, our heart, yes. So, as we say nga, no, our physical things, our material things are really not important to us. It's only temporary. But then, the important things is the things that we make good in this world, in our journey. Yung kabutihan po na gawa natin, yun po ang importante. Kaya, yung pag-prepare po natin ng December, dapat magdasal po tayo ng maintim. Very fervently praying and very, what do you mean by this? Kinakailangan po natin na magdasal sa Panginoon at manumbalik yung ating mga tiwala. To put trust everything to God. Yes. So, mga Mamshi, while waiting for our pinaputok na bangus, we're going to make the side dish. No, para naman pag kumain ka ng steamed bangus, then you add this, what do you call this, a side dish. Masarap po yan. Okay? So, ito, I have here my, of course, my favorite cucumber. Yes, so I will mix salad, no? So, yan siya. Wala yata si maming anak, what do you call this? Si kuya. With knife. I need knife, anak. I cannot get out from here. So, again, mga Mamshi, we're going to make our pickles, our salad cucumber. Can I have a knife, anak? Where's the food? Yung fork na lang. Kuya, Dom. Saglit lang po, ha? Dom. You just, I'll get first knife. So, yes, I just get my knife. And, so, yan. Nakalimutan ni Ma'am siya ang mag-knife. So, let's start in slicing our cucumber. Yeah. So, we're waiting sa steam ng ating pinaputok na bangos. So, gagawin natin siya. Ito. Okay. So, actually, you can slice this kung ano yung gusto ninyong design ng cucumber niyo. So, okay na sa akin yung ganito. Okay. So, I hope my sisters in the church are also watching. I just want to say hello there. Yes, of course, to my Penembas family from south to north. And of course, sa mga Penembas friends ko dyan sa Bonnie. Blessed Sunday po sa inyong lahat. Yeah. So, this one. So, yan. So, first po, imimix natin yung what you call this. Lalagay na po natin itong half muna para pag mamaya yung half naman. So, yan. I still have remaining tomato here. So, kinakailangan po, hindi natin sayangin yung mga ingredient. Because ang mahal po talaga. Like, ang tomato, ang 1/4 niya, yeah, 1/4 is 35 peso already. So, 1/4 pa lang po. 35 peso na. So, mahal siya, no? So, iyan po. Then, we use pinakurat. No? A little lang. Hindi naman masyado kasi na tayo nagano ng vinegar. Kasi mamaya, ang pagsasalad ko po, lalagyan ko siya ng salsa para masarap. So, yan. So, this one. Then, we can add our, yan siya, no? Okay na. May luta na ba? Yan siya, no? So, we're going to use our salsa for this salad kasi masarap po talaga. Basta, you just put a little vinegar. Yes, kasi malasa na po ito. So, yan po siya, no? Yan. So, this is very delicious if you're going to eat together with your steamed pinaputok na bangus. Then, so yan. So, I have here. So, that is my salad for today. It's very delicious and my son really loves to eat a cucumber actually. Yeah. Ito naman po, second version. Ang second version ko nito is I will just add a vinegar. Of course, without salsa. Para hindi lang po masayang yung ating mga ingredient. Then, I add here, of course, may mga natira-tira pa, no? Okay, yeah. Then, we can slice our, what you call this, ito, leftover pa natin. So, dagdagan po natin ng luya. Sa amin po pag ganito, we add actually the small fish and we call it kilawin. Yeah. So far, wala naman fresh na fish dito sa Manila. Talagang walang fresh sa kanila. So, mahirap po maghanap ng fresh dito. Seldom siguro if you're going to go to Laguna or Batangas, yan, may mga fresh pa. Pero sa Pasig or sa market, you need to be careful in buying fish because it's not like in the province. Fish here, sometimes they inject formalin. Yeah. And tsaka naglalagay po sila ng coloring sa fish para mukhang fresh. Pero actually hindi. The reason why to buy fish, to be safe talaga more is on top sa kakilala niyo sa market is you go to the mall, especially to Robinson, you would see the fish talaga na the quality talaga is talagang hindi kayo dinadaya. Then we add this one, our tomato. So don't forget, tomato is very expensive now. The 1/4 costs you 35 peso. Yeah. 1/4, not 1/2, 1/4. So yan. So ganun po siya kamahal, no? Yung mga basic ingredient that we're using right now. So ang mahal-mahal po. So yan. Malapit na po maluto yung ating what you call yan. So ubusin na po ni Ma'am siya ang kamatis kasi mahilig po ako kumain ng tomato. Almost all the vegetables and fruits I love to eat. Except meat, may few lang po. Yan siya. So, my option in doing this, para if I don't like the taste, I have the option to taste to the other one side dish. Yeah. So, thank you po for, of course, making puso-puso of my my video right now. Thank you. Maraming salamat. And I'm just going to mix this one, no? So, I have the option. So, yan. Pag kumakain po tayo ng fish, talagang dapat may side dish po tayo. So, right now, ilang minutes na po ba? Malapit na siya, anak. We'll just make it half. That's a cook already. So, we're just going to wait, no? Until maging okay na. So, dog dyan muna. I'm just going to prepare this one. Yan. Okay. Yan na po siya. So, when I be back, I think it's cooked already. Patingin ka doon. Sinina ka na. Yes. Okay. So, luto na po yung ating, yes, hello to Tatay. Of course, to Sheng. Hello there, Sheng. Good morning. At sa mga Fed Invest friends, like kay Luella, Lizelle, and Aling Vicky. Yes. So, yan po siya, no? Ito na po yung ating pinaputok na. It's very hot. Yes. You just get one. I hope it's cooked already. So, yung ating pinaputok na oops, naglawan. Ay, nakulong. Okay. Tingnan po natin kung siya ay luto na. Still, yes. So, don't focus it. So, yan po ang ating pinaputok na bangus. Yan, luto na po siya. And of course, talagang pinaputok talaga siya. Dahil ang dami niyang ingredient. Okay. So, masarap po ito. Siyempre, Tatay, masarap ito. Yes. O, yan po, no? So, yan po yung ating presentation of the day, no? So, this is it, no? Yan siya. Wow! Oh, try to look po. So, this is our fish, no? So, ito po yung ating, what do you call this? Menu for the day, yung pinaputok na bangus. Yes. So, thank you po once again, no? I hope you love my recipe. It's so very healthy food. Yeah. So, this is what you call steamed bangus. So, I hope you like the recipe that I shared for you guys. So, blessed Sunday, and once again, thank you very much for watching my live streaming video from my kusina ni Momshi. Momshi said, cook to the one you love. Bye!